Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your workplace or event experience, the Magnetic Name Tags Kit from Wukong. This is not just any name badge, it's the best custom name badge solution available. This kit comes with everything you need to create professional-looking name badges that are not only functional but also stylish. Inside, you'll find 10 high-quality acrylic name badge holders, each designed to hold a printable name label. The holders measure 3 inches by 1.1 inches, making them perfect for clear visibility while still being compact enough for comfort. Creating your custom name tags is a breeze. The kit includes blank name tag labels, so you can print your names, titles, or any other information you need. And thanks to the clear acrylic design, your text will be displayed beautifully without any obstructions. One of the standout features of this kit is the strong magnetic attachment system. Each badge holder comes with a powerful neodymium magnet that securely fastens to your clothing without damaging it. No more unsightly pinholes or fabric tears, just a clean and professional look. This is especially beneficial in environments like offices, conferences, or schools where you want to maintain a polished appearance. These magnets are strong enough to hold through various fabrics, ensuring your badge stays in place throughout your day. Whether you're presenting at a conference or attending an event, you can trust that your name badge won't budge. Versatility is another advantage of this product. The magnetic name badges are perfect for a variety of settings: offices, schools, conventions, and even trade shows. Plus, you can use them for arts and crafts projects or to hang signs and posters. The possibilities are endless. Quality matters, and Wukong has you covered. The badge holders are made from non-toxic, odorless acrylic that is both durable and eco-friendly. You can feel good about your purchase, knowing that it's safe for you and the environment. With 10 packs included in this kit, you'll have more than enough to cover large gatherings, team events, or family reunions. Everyone can have their own customized badge, which not only helps with identification but also fosters a sense of belonging among team members. In terms of customer service, Wukong stands by its products. They offer a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring that if you have any issues, they will either refund your purchase or provide a replacement. To sum it up, the Wukong Magnetic Name Tags Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of professional, customizable name badges. With its high-quality materials, strong magnetic hold, and ease of use, it truly is the best custom name badge solution out there. If you want to elevate your professional image with the best name badges around, check out the link in the description below for more information and to grab your own kit. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.